Basically, I feel that the constitution of Ravindra Bhavan provides for any committee to remain in seat for 3 years. They count the year in a year when you join, take over the charge. Like even if you take charge on 30th of December, on 31st of December 1 year gets over. So we came here in July 17th, and our term per se, by the virtue of the constitution, it gets over on 31st of December. And of course the government, if feels that something is going wrong, they can intervene and they can definitely terminate the office bearers and install a new committee. But I feel that the art and culture minister is on the record in Ravindra Bhavan itself at an audience of around 1,000 people that the present committee is doing wonderful job. And in fact, ताणे हांगा म्हणला, हांवें म्हणणे आर्ट एंड कल्चर मिनिस्टरान म्हणलें की कला अकादमी पेक्षा सरस तुम्ही मुखार गेला म्हण. By virtue of being chairman of Ravindra Bhavan, I had a meeting of all chairmen and vice chairmen of different Ravindra Bhavans in Margao. In the chamber of then speaker and now chief minister Pramod Bab Sawant. At that time also he complimented Madgaon Ravindra Bhavan in a big way for different activities and art and culture mukar varpa khatir ami वावर करता तो. He complimented this committee. So I feel that considering our work over the past 2 years, which is acclaimed throughout Goa by different people, the new programs introduced by us, because earlier it was limited to few programs. We have included literature in a big way as the main रवींद्र भवनाच्या कार्यावळी भितर लिटरेचराक एक मोठो स्कोप आमी दिला, साहित्याक स्कोप दिला. So considering all this, I feel that we may continue till 31st of December. But it all depends on the government.
Actually, as a moral of the party, Goa Forward Party, जे आम्ही executive दोघेजण मेंबर आसात, त्या प्रमाणे आम्ही डिसिजन घेतले की morally we should resign because we are not supporting the government. पण आमकां कळपाक जाय आशिल्लें जर सरकार आमकां काडटा जाल्यार कारण कितें दिता. जस्ट वी वॉन्ट टू नो द रिजन की कितें म्हणून काडटा. फंड्स हे केल्या म्हणून मिसमॅनेज जावं इनएफिशियंट म्हणून काडटा जाल्यार आमकां पळोवपाक जाय आशिल्लें की दोनूय गोश्टी 2008 रवींद्र भवन सुरू जालें ते 2016 मेरेन जितले प्रोग्राम जालो ना तितले 2017 आनी 2019 तुमी रिकॉर्ड करून पळया. तितले प्रोग्राम हे 5 वर्सांक जाल्ला जावं 7 वर्सांक जावं 8 वर्सांक ते 2017 ते 2019 जाल्यार. रवींद्र भवनाचे चेंजीस पळयात, रवींद्र भवनात लोक येवपी पळयात, पॉझिटिव्ह कसो रिस्पॉन्स मेळटा. सो वी जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू वेट फॉर द रिझन. दियात न्हू तुमी कारणा दियात आनी आमकां काड. दॅट इज वॉट आय वॉन्ट टू नो न्ही.
Renuka stepped down, but the other ministers waited till the last moment. They wanted to know whether this government, which had given a word to them that everything will go well, whether they terminate them, तांकां काडून उडयता का they दवरता. वो हे पळोवपाक न्ही प्रत्येकाक. आपूण काम केला ताजी पावती लास्टाक कितें हें प्रत्येकाक पळोवपाचें उरता. तुजी कामाची पावती. We know the instances of call a dog mad and shoot him. We want to also know that whether they call us mad dog and shoot at us.
रवींद्र भवन म्हणटे पळय आसा न्ही ताजी काम आनी कामाची पद्दत आनी ताजे खातीर कितलो वेळ दिवपाक पडटा आनी ताका लागून आमच्या दोगी जाणांचें कितलें नुकसाण जालां तें जर तुमी खावपा जाय जाल्यार आमच्या घरच्या लोकांनी